Today, let us learn about how to read and write large numbers. Now, the numbers starting from 0 to 9 are all single digit numbers. They are called unit. So, unit place can have number from 0 to 9. Then the next number with after 9 is 10. How to write 10? Do you write 10 like this or like this? You write 10 like this. Correct. So the 10th place comes behind the unit place. So first is unit, then behind it is 10th place. So here I'll write 10th place. It also starts from 0 to 9. Now, if the number starts from 1, you call it 10. If it starts from 2 and you can't call it to 10, you have to call it 20. TY will be added. 20. Like that, 30, 40, 50, 60. Like this, you will have 2-digit numbers up to 99. Now, after 99, the number is 100. How to write 100? You will write 100 like this. Okay? So, the first place is unit place. The second behind it is 10th place. The next is 100th place. So, we have to write 100 here. 100 also starts from 0 to 9 and the biggest 3-digit number is 999 and the smallest 3-digit number is 101. This is the smallest and this is the biggest. After 999, you will get 1000. So 1000 we write like this. So where to write 1000? Behind 100. Here also you have one T for 10. So for 1000, again you can't write T. So with the T, you have small letter H. Then this place is called 1000th place. This 1000th place, the biggest number is 9999. See, 4 digits. This is unit, highest number 9, 10, 99, 100, 999, next 1000, 9000, 999. This is how we read the number. Then after 9999, you will get 10,000. See how many digits are there? 5 digits. So which is the biggest number? 99,999. The smallest number, 10,001. So to write 10,000, I'll write 10 for T and 4,000 TH. So this is how we read and write the large number. Suppose I give you a number. Now how you will read it and write it?